This is news coming in from Punjab. Former Chief Minister of the state, Channi, had made a shocking claim about the attack, the terror attack that has happened in Poonch, Jammu and Kashmir last evening. Channi, the former Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi, called this terror attack a political stunt. He said these attacks are not really happening, but these are meant to benefit the Bharatiya Janata Party. Whenever elections come, stunts are played like last time. So I think he's alluding to Pulwama once again, and he goes on to say these are pre-planned stunts and done to make BJP win. It is BJP's job to get people killed and play on their dead bodies. Listen in to the former Punjab Chief Minister.
ये स्टंटबाजी हो रही है, हमले नहीं हो रहे। पिछली बार भी जब इलेक्शन आते हैं तो ऐसे स्टंट खेले जाते हैं और बीजेपी को जिताने का संविधान तैयार किया जाता है। ये तैयार किए हुए सारे पहले से तैयार करके हमले करवाए जाते हैं। ये बीजेपी को जिताने का एक स्टंट होता है, इसमें सच्चाई नहीं होती। लोग मरवाने और लोगों के लाशों पे खेलना ये बीजेपी को आता है।
Tejinder Singh Sodhi is with me on the broadcast. Tejinder, shocking to say the least. A state like Punjab, which itself has seen so many attacks, terrorism incidents, and a former chief minister of a state, a border state like that, questioning the martyrdom of our Air Force personnel who died last evening.
Arunima, see, this is not only shocking but a bizarre statement. And if you remember, Charanjit Singh Channi is the same chief minister who had opposed the extension of power given to the BSF to tackle the drone dropping and cross-border narcotics smuggling. If you remember, he was the one who had objected when there was a proposal to extend the jurisdiction of BSF up to 80 kilometers. So this is the same Charanjit Singh Channi, and it's really unfortunate that at a time when the entire nation stands in solidarity with our brave hearts have been battling the terrorists. As Arunima, we have been speaking since morning, and I told you that there are 4 anti-terror operations which are underway in Jammu region alone. In Gulabgarh, it's been 7 days since the operation was launched, and in such a difficult terrain, our security forces ensure that the civilian casualty is minimized. The terrorists are unable to carry out their nefarious designs to carry out attacks on not only on security forces but also on civilians, because terrorists are instructed from across the border to carry out multiple strikes across the union territory of Jammu and Kashmir and also other parts of the country. And it is because of our security forces that these attempts are being foiled. Yesterday, it was a group of 3 to 4 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists who carried out this terror attack, in which 1 Air Force personnel was killed in action and 4 others were seriously injured. But unfortunately, the Congress party, the former chief minister of the bordering state of Punjab, because if you remember, Punjab is the state which had borne the brunt of cross-border terrorism for quite long. Even today, Punjab is marred by the narcotics which is sent from across the border. Every other day, the BSF foils such attempts. Drones are being recovered. Arms and ammunition which are being sent from across the border are recovered in Punjab. But unfortunate that a leader of Congress party who has been the former chief minister of Punjab making such a bizarre statement. Yes, Arunima.
And Bharatiya Janata Party will obviously hit back. Tejinder, thank you so much. This is bound to have political ramifications. We'll come back to you as and when there are more details available. So that was Tejinder Singh Sodhi reporting on that bizarre statement coming in from the former Punjab Chief Minister about the terror attack that happened in Poonch.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.